Why am I in the forest? I was playing with my friends. I was playing with Kyla and Zeta yang. Where is this? So I felt like I need this mask. I need to wear a mask. Oh, where's my crown? Where's my tiara? Wait. Wow. Yes, it's icy, crystallized. As a good leader, I shall take off the face mask. No. So actually the sword is not right behind me. It's actually, yes, I'm bringing my sword in front of me. Take a picture of me.